Hey, Bloomerinos, look what we're going to make today. We are making an adorable bow that's lemon inspired. And we're going to be using this bow in one of our wreath kits, but I'm going to show you here how to make it step by step. So we are going to use these three ribbons. This one here, take a look at it. It has a tan background with beautiful lemons and even like a little bit of the sheen of the lemon. It's just like a juicy lemon. You're thinking summer day. And this ribbon here is called a Swiss dot, and it's little bitty dots. Texture to it. We love that. And the bright yellow, which goes great with this white and yellow on the lemons and the lemon slices. And then finally, this is a nice detail ribbon we're going to add to our bow, and has a little black edge, which is pulling in with the dark green on the leaf, and then it's bringing that natural kind of summer vibe to the whole wreath itself. So those are our three ribbons. These do come in this kit. If you need the link to the kit or the kit video, just let us know right here in the comments and we'll be happy to get that for you. But I'm going to start off by doing this one. Now, we're going to use the Swiss dot on the back. So I'm going to load that on my bow maker. And if you've never been here before, I'm so glad you're able to stop by and watch this video. I'm Keleas, and on here we like to teach you how to make wreaths and swags and centerpieces and anything with artificial florals. That is my expertise, and I'm so glad you came to watch. Now, when I start a funky bow, I have an 8-inch tail, and I measure that, and then I twist and have that go up, and that gets me going. Now on the left side, I'm going to start my bow. And over here, that is going to be about 6 inches. It doesn't need to be too big. 6 inches, and then I twist it when I get to the center. And I like to keep this nice and loopy. It gives you that nice flowy feel, which is the style of wreaths that I teach in design school. So when you're watching here, you're learning that too. And when you're ready to take your skills to the next level, you're going to want to come join us in class, because there, help you build on the basics and start to really get your designs poppin', really looking amazing. Pop it, like the kids say, poppin'. It was an interesting choice in words for me, but yeah, it's poppin'. These little bumps on this ribbon are super cute. So we got 2 loops on each side, and we got a tail going up and down. Now, bring in your next layer. And for us, it's going to be this one with the tan and the black. I love that. And this will lay really pretty against the ribbon we already have up here. Now I'm going to take and trim this. This also comes in the kit, and you will get it. Now it's not a wired ribbon, but I still like to use it in here. So I generally make that tail just a little bit shorter. And these, we're going to make them also shorter at 5.5. So twist, and anytime you put the black edge detail on a ribbon, it looks so good. It looks so good. And I'm going to do 3 loops of this one, and it will give us this kind of flower effect almost at the center of our bow. That twist it, I'm going to hold out. I'm going to hold it with my fingers. All right, and then my final piece here, I'm twisting again. And then I will cut this tail to go on top of this one. Very similar, all right? Okay, now our next layer is going to be the lemons themselves. This is the lemon ribbon. And I'll cut this at an angle to be opposite the one at the top. And we'll pop that in at 8 inches here and bring it down. Yes, look how cute. Y'all need to get some juicy lemon decor on your door this summer. I think it just brings up a great feeling. It's just screaming summer. Like I said, it's popping. And these loops are at 5 inches, and I just did 1 on either side so far. And now I'm going to twist again, and we're going to put in a couple. We're going to build this puppy up. All right, and then spread these out just like that, front and back. All right, we got 2 on each side so far, and now I'm going to take and add the third one. So these are going to roll just right between the other black and tan pieces we put in. I love how wispy it looks. Then we'll cut this to match down here, and it'll be an opposite cut of what we got going. Perfect. And now let's get our yellow, bringing it back just to finish out this center. And we're going to have a shorter tail now, probably about 6 inches. Twist it, hold it, and you can see how versatile it is to build up your bow, just like this. It's popping. It's popping. Everything's popping. Y'all definitely should put "it's popping" in the comments, because that would let me know you were here. And we can add that to our vocabulary. Normally I say ribbon is juicy, but today I'm thinking summer and sunshine, and yeah. I guess, you know, if anything, lemons should be juicy. It's juicy and it's popping. Oh my gosh, guys. All right. And you can see I took it off the bow maker right here. And what I need to do now is take and rotate this back behind between my fingers. And now I make the magic come all together and I fluff it up, okay? So your job is to get this really going. Separate these out. Make sure you got a little bit of loop or a tail everywhere. Same thing over here. And then you know it's looking so cute once you get it fluffed up, and you want all that dimension. Really important. Now I'm going to add a cable tie to the back, and that'll be how we attach it to our project that we're going to use it on. But y'all, if y'all have enjoyed making this bow, make sure you come and you like, subscribe, and follow, because I'm doing stuff like this every week. If you'd like notifications when I'm live creating for you or with you, make sure you get on our email list, or our text list would be even better. Now I'm going to use this little strip of ribbon I just cut off and put it down the center. So our text list is idea. That is 832-734-5201. Just text us VIP to get on the list, and we will shoot you out a text anytime we have a new video coming out. If you send us email on the text list, we'll send you a link where you can get on our email list, where we're sending out weekly emails with inspiration, so you can find these videos again easily, and easily find how to join us in design school as well. Look how pretty. Look how cute. Isn't it great? We did it. We made it together. All right, y'all. Blue Merinos, I can't wait to see you on our next video. And if you want to see the finished project we use this in, just ask in the comments and we'll put a link here for you. All right. Y'all have fun with flowers, and I will see you next time.